Ever wonder how technology can actually transform workplace culture? I asked AI that very question, and AI reminded me it's not about replacing human connection, it's about enhancing it. Take recognition, for example. Platforms like my Manroc Safety Store make it easy to celebrate achievements in real time, whether it's a quick shout out or a milestone reward. Deloitte even found that companies with strong recognition programs have 31% lower turnover and higher performance. Collaboration, tools like Teams and Slack, when used well, break down silos so employees feel connected to the bigger picture. And analytics, they help leaders see where engagement is thriving and where it needs attention. But here's the key balance. Tech is a tool, not a whole solution. Pair it with authentic leadership and real human connection, and you've got yourself a recipe for a thriving workplace culture. Want more culture insights? Head to PatDoyle.ca /blog and sign up for my newsletter.